Hello and welcome to Learn English with Kaz. Today we're going to practice 50 phrasal verbs you must know for daily conversations. Don't worry, we'll take it step by step, with time to repeat and examples to make everything clear. You can always come back to this lesson and practice again. Ready? Let's get started. First group, everyday life. Wake up. I wake up at 7 every morning. Get up. I get up and make some coffee. Sit down. Please sit down and relax. Stand up. Everyone stood up when the teacher entered. Lie down. He was tired, so he lay down on the sofa. Take a moment. Repeat them with me. Wake up. Get up. Sit down. Stand up. Lie down. Good job. Let's move on to the next group, home and daily activities. Turn on. Can you turn on the TV? Turn off. Don't forget to turn off the lights. Put on. She put on her jacket. Take off. He took off his shoes. Pick up. Can you pick up the phone? Put down. He put down his bag. Practice these out loud. Turn on, turn off, put on, take off, pick up, put down. Excellent. Now, let's move into social life. Hang out. Let's hang out this weekend. Catch up. We need to catch up soon. I ran into Sarah at the store. Go out. We went out for dinner. Come over. Why don't you come over tomorrow? These are great for conversations with friends. Say them with me. Hang out, catch up, run into, go out, come over. Nice work. Okay, now let's look at learning and work. Look up. You can look up the word in a dictionary. Write down your homework. Hand in. Please hand in your assignment. Give back. She gave back the book to her friend. Put off. Don't put off your work until tomorrow. Pause for a second. Repeat after me. Look up. Write down. Hand in. Give back. Put off. Perfect. Here's a group about travel and movement. Get on. He got on the bus. Get off. They got off the train. Set off. We set off early in the morning. Take off. The plane took off on time. Check in. We checked in at the hotel. Check out. They checked out the next day. Practice them with me. Get on. Get off. Set off. Take off. Check in. Check out. Great. Now, emotions and relationships. Cheer up, it's going to be okay. Calm down, please calm down and tell me what happened. Break up, they decided to break up. Make up, they had a fight but then made up. Look after, she looks after her younger brother. Say them with me. Cheer up, calm down, break up, make up, look after. Well done. Next group, communication. Call back, I'll call you back later. Talk over, let's talk it over tomorrow. Bring up, she brought up an interesting point. Point out, he pointed out my mistake. Leave out, don't leave out any details. Pause, now repeat. Call back, talk over, bring up, point out, leave out. You're doing amazing. And finally, everyday situations you'll use often. Find out, I found out the truth. Figure out, can you figure out the answer? Work out, everything will work out fine. Carry on, please carry on with your story. Give up, don't give up on your dreams. Repeat them slowly with me. Find out, figure out, work out, carry on, give up. Fantastic. Now you've practiced 50 of the most useful phrasal verbs for daily conversations. Remember, the best way to learn them is to use them. Here's what I want you to do. Comment one phrasal verb from today's lesson that you will start using this week. It could be wake up, or catch up, or maybe give up. Also, like this video if it helped you. Share it with a friend who is learning English too. And subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson. And don't forget, you can always come back to this video whenever you need extra practice. Think of it like your English workout. You can also connect with me on Facebook for more tips and updates. Until next time, keep practicing, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.